I'll be talking to you about RockMelt. RockMelt is essentially Google Chrome mixed in with Facebook. Pretty much a Facebook internet browser. So, as you can see, here is RockMelt. RockMelt, here's your default home page. RockMelt, nice logo, big in there. You can see your friends right here and invite them to RockMelt. So, and you can shuffle your friends, and you can invite all 6 of them. Now, if let's say one of your friends has a birthday, and that friend would be placed in the very first spot, and a cupcake would appear, saying, and when you scroll over, it'll say, "Wish him a happy birthday." Very simple for people that forget birthdays, that use Facebook to remember them. No, we all do that, so not judging you there. And now I'm going to, and now you see the top. Here's a little mini profile picture for you. It's a shortcut to your profile, and here are the 3 main Facebook notifier buttons. I don't know what you want to call them. And here's the URL bar. Right here is a share button, which you can just share right here from the comfort of your web browser without even leaving the page. Discard it. Here, if you go to here, you can share. Press the share button and just share your link wherever you're at and write about it. The omnibar, that's very cool. It's a very cool feature here. Let me just type in a friend's name, A-M, and looks like I get her, and you can just view profile, chat, and wall post all right from here. Press view profile, it'll take you straight to that page. Chat, it'll open the chat, and wall post, it'll just open a tiny dialog box. Very cool. And here is a quiet mode. Quiet mode is not the same as private browsing. It just removes all the Facebook bars for you to focus on whatever it is that you're doing. You can turn that off. So here on the right side is called the Friends Edge. Now you can see your friends all right here. You can strike up a conversation with them. A chat dialog box here. Type in hi. You can just do that. Close it. You can turn yourself available or offline. This edge is expandable. Very cool. You can invite them to RockMelt and add them to your favorites. There's a very cool animation that it was right there. This may be my only quirk with RockMelt, but when I press collapse the edge, it resizes it for some reason. It's a small problem, but it annoys me. So, which is why I usually refrain from expanding my edges. Now, on the left side, you have the app edge, which has the Facebook app built in. I already added the YouTube and Twitter app. Now, here's the app edge, and let me just add a couple of apps here. Go to the App Center. I can add in The Onion. You have ESPN, MSNBC, BBC News, and this app edge really doubles as an RSS reader, so you can add in any feed you want of a site that is not already in the App Center. I'm about to show you an example right here. Wrapup.com, and in about a second it's going to show up. Wrapup gives you a feed right there, and it shows up. Now that you know how to add apps, I can just demonstrate this to you. So here is basically an RSS feed for wrap up, and if you're like me and you like reading a lot of articles, but you only open them in new tabs, you don't want to just kind of go back and find that one, and you can just click and it'll open in a new page. It's a very nice touch. So you can have the onion, and social reading is on, off. So that's simple. Social reading on, off. You can share it with your friends. Has a couple of here has a couple of news feeds. Sorry, I blanked out there. And Twitter and Facebook are pretty much the same. So here you can just check your feed without leaving the comfort of the site that you are on. I like this very much. With Facebook you can only add in one account, but with Twitter you can add in multiple. I have not signed into Twitter, so I'm not going to do that now. YouTube, it takes a slightly different approach, but it has a mini YouTube player right here. Let me just find a video. Soldier Knows Best. If you guys have not seen Soldier Knows Best, check him out. He's a great YouTuber and one of my personal favorites. As you can see,
our 2012 CES coverage is powered by Ford. Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. I'm about to show you a tablet and a cell phone that can be completely dunked in water. You don't have to
completely dunked in water. Find that video on his page, because we have other stuff to get to. Sorry guys. Yeah, but view later, you can just, it's pretty much a bookmark really. Not bookmark in the sense that you'll always go there, but something you'll come back to read later. View later, add it today, you can just delete this later. And now I'm going to show you the settings, because, well, a lot of these things are already in Facebook. Let me just go there. So it's kind of redundant, and you can turn it off. Apparently I have turned it off. You can turn it back on if you want. Let me just show you the settings for the edges. Everything else is just like any other browser. So what I'm looking at is Friend Edge. First, show Friend Edge in the standard mode and quiet mode. I have not selected anything in quiet mode, but I can turn off the Friend Edge and it'll show me my Facebook friend bar and ticker. Turn that back on, ticker disappears. I can show my offline friends or just show my online friends. Beep on incoming chat messages. With app edges, it also has some effects, some settings. Show app edge. Don't show app edge. Show unseen counts. Show unseen counts. Basically, unseen counts is when a new story will pop up and it'll show you the number of new stories in a little red box. You saw that earlier. Apparently, I opened them all. I'm sorry for that. Can't show you that now, but you can turn that off. Notifiers, Growl notifications. For those of you who have Growl, you can show request messages and notifications on the top here. I can turn that off and just show it on Facebook. App behavior, open link in current tab, open link in new foreground tab, open link in new background tab, for those of you like me. Social reading, turn off for all existing apps because I don't want to share what I'm reading, if you guys are like that. You can switch the positions of the edges, for those of you who don't like the standard layout. When you're on Facebook, you can always show chat, but that is a bit redundant since you have the friend edge. And you can always show requests, messages, and notifications, which is redundant because you have the top here. And I believe that's all there is for me to show you. I forgot to note that if you hit the feed and you move it, it'll become a totally separate window. That's good or bad depending on the user. And for my final verdict, I find this a joy to use. I love it more than Safari. I find that using Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter just from the side like this is so much easier because I don't have to leave the comfort of whatever page I'm on. So I give it a 9 out of 10, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment, any requests, or any thoughts about how I did just to help me improve as a YouTuber. Please leave a comment, and I will try to get back to each and every one of you. Thanks for watching.